So what is Article 12 of the Constitution?
State.
What all things would be included under the definition of state?
Universities, schools, all the legislations.
Yeah. Not like legislation, but parliament,
Yes, ma'am.
legislatures that would be included. Yeah. Courts would be included. Any other government authority that is registered, so those also would be included. So Article 12 starts is the first article that we have under Part 3 of the Constitution, and it provides for definition of the term state. And this definition, apart from Part 3, to which part this particular definition would be applicable? There is another part in the Constitution that refers that the same definition would be applicable like Article 12. Which part is it?
DPSP, madam.
Yeah, it is DPSP. That is, which article mentions that?
38.
It is 36, the first article only.
Oh, okay.
So the first article itself says that, like for Part 3 also, in the first article only we have definition. So like that for DPSP also they say that whatever definition of state is given under Article 12, same definition only would be applicable even for DPSP. So the definition given is in this part, unless the context otherwise requires, state would include what? It would include the government, the Parliament of India, and the government and legislature of each of the states, and the any other local or any other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India. So all of those things would be included under the definition of states, and they would be they are duty bound to ensure that these particular fundamental rights are given to the people. Next article is Article 13. What is Article 13 all about? Anyone remembers Article 13?
Ma'am, it gives the definition of law.
Yeah, it says what law is also.